Γεια σας, καλημέρα. Με λένε Στάλο. Today we are going to talk about the national anthem of Greece and Cyprus, and we will see some video clips from sporting events where we can listen to the national anthem. Let's start with the lyrics. Ύμνος εις την ελευθερίαν. Σε γνωρίζω από την κόψη του σπαθιού την τρομερή. Σε γνωρίζω από την όψη που με βιά μετράει τη γη. Απ' τα κόκαλα βγαλμένη των Ελλήνων τα ιερά και σαν πρώτα ανδριωμένη, χαίρε, ω χαίρε, ελευθεριά. The poem was written by Dionysios Solomos in 1823. It consists of 158 stanzas of 4 lines each. A stanza in poetry is a group of lines, any number of lines. It was set to music by Nikolaos Mantzaros in 1865. The poem was inspired by the Greek War of Independence, and Solomos wrote the poem to honor the struggle of the Greeks for independence after nearly 400 years of Ottoman rule. It officially became the national anthem of Greece in 1865 and of Cyprus in 1966. It's the longest anthem in the world by length of text, but only the first 2 stanzas are officially the anthem. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Ευχαριστώ. Γεια σας.